Welcome to Tammy's Ribbon Kitchen. Today I wanted to show you just a few things that I've prepped for the week ahead. A new year, 2021, and this is how I want to start. A little bit of preparation goes a long ways, so I just wanted to share with you. I've made these banana muffins, which are an amazing nutritious snack, and they can be found on my website and also on my YouTube channel. And also I've made some ranch dressing, and I have a few other dips and dressing recipes also on my website and YouTube. And I've prepped some salad for the next few days, probably 4 days. That should last me if I'm eating it with other things. So I've got some sauce and a great salad prep. Got that video up for you. And I'm just doing some sourdough starter there. And I've also got my almond pulp just dehydrating in the dehydrator. What I do with this is I make it into some almond flour, which I also use in the muffins that I have prepped there. And then I also made my barbecue lentil burgers. So this was a double batch. They freeze amazing, and they also go great with anything like a wrap. You can put them in, you can eat them just on the side with some sauce. Just however you like, you're getting your nutrition and your protein. And just great filling, satisfying meal. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this encourages you to do some food prep this year. This burger recipe is my barbecue lentil burgers, also on my website and YouTube channel. I'll be happy if you go check those out, and if you have any questions and if I can help you in any way this year coming up, please message me and I will be happy to give you a hand in some meal prep ideas and just transitioning into a vegan diet. Vegan way of life, plant-based way of life is absolutely amazing. I wouldn't change it for the world. I have never felt better. I've been vegan now 3 years after getting sick. 2017, after I had my turkey dinner, I never did eat turkey again. So it kind of spurred me on to this plant-based lifestyle, and I would not change it for the world. And I'm very happy to be eating healthier and also saving the planet, saving the animals, and it just makes you a lot more conscious of what you are putting into your body. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Head on over to my YouTube channel and my website. Lots of great ideas there for you. Thanks again for watching. Happy New Year.